Agriculture in India is an age-old cultural context for livelihood. It has been a melody soothing in the ears of both rich and poor as a traditional occupation. Purvanchal, eastern part of Uttar Pradesh, is one of the cradle of agriculture. God also gave suitable geographical conditions and natural support for the same. The green plain and vast agricultural area of Purvanchal sings the song loudly with the natural flora and fauna that marvels our own eyes. The incessant hard toil by the people in this agricultural area into the land of gold harvesting its fullness. The tragedy that overwhelmed in the modern era are the use of chemical fertilizers and synthetic pesticides in farming that kills every day the soul of the soil, micro and macroorganisms, and also health of the people. The adoption of conventional farming system made even our environment a danger zone to live. Even in modern society, persons with disabilities are the more vulnerable to different kinds of issues due to various reasons. They are easily prone to deadly sicknesses because of lack of safe and healthy life situations. There is a lack of accessibility to involve in mainstream activities. And again, social acceptance never been given to them because they are less privileged and vulnerable. The most disappointing aspect is that people are bothered about their disabilities rather recognizing their abilities. PGSS, Purvanchal Gramin Seva Samiti, a social development organization since last 4-5 years working for the mainstreaming of persons with disabilities. It was observed that mainstreaming of persons with disabilities is more effective with the inclusion of focus community, and it will be more sustainable. When this issue was discussed with CBM Saro and CBM New Zealand, gave an opportunity to realize the dream for the mainstreaming of persons with disabilities through inclusive development approach. The project named Disability Inclusive Agro Enterprises for Organic Farming.
Uttar Pradesh is a major contributor to the national food grain stock of India, and eastern part of Uttar Pradesh has a strong agricultural basis. Keeping this in mind, we have a program with the support of CBM named Disability Inclusive Agro Enterprises for Organic Farming. This is very special and innovative because of many reasons. First of all, we are promoting farming, which is the main source of income of the region here, and that too organically. Secondly, and most importantly, a sizable number of people with disability farmers are engaged in organic farming and allied agricultural activities. We are grateful to CBM for giving this opportunity to the people with disability farmers of the region here for their inclusive development in the mainstream society. And very specially, PGSS is extremely grateful to CBM for supporting us to promote this innovative and special disability inclusive agro enterprises for organic farming.
The focus intervention platform is organic farming and allied agricultural activities, followed by subsequent marketing of finished organic products in the local markets. Social, economical development of participating persons with disabilities in 83 villages in 4 clusters or blocks: Mithora in Maharajganj district, Kasia and Kaptanganj blocks in Kushinagar district, and Dumriaganj block in Siddharthnagar district of Gorakhpur and Basti region. The intended outcome of this project were 1,500 organic farmers' net income increased by 40% through the adoption of organic farming practices. Increased quality and marketability of organic farming products as a result of organic certification through recognized international certification agencies. The socio-economic participation and inclusion within local agricultural circles and wider society of 120 participating farmers with disabilities has been widely enhanced.
हमारे ग्राम पंचायत में जैविक खाद की अच्छी व्यवस्था तमाम विकलांगों द्वारा किया जा रहा है। जो अच्छे खाद जैविक खाद बनाते हैं और उस जैविक खाद को अपने अपने खेतों में डालते हैं और जिससे उनके वहाँ अच्छी गेहूँ, धान, मटर आदि अच्छा बढ़िया उपज होती है।
To promote the organic farming programs in 83 villages, 83 self-help groups are formed. The women family members of focused farmers' families are associated in self-help groups. Thus, savings of these SHGs are being utilized for input support, training, and exposure visit.
हमारे समिति में से पैसा जमा कर सभे आ सर्वोदय किसान के पैसा मांगला लोग खादी सही वर्मी कंपोस्ट खातिर ड्रम खरीद के उमें अपन पैसा ले ला लोग आ धीरे धीरे वो अपन फसल उपजाज के फिर धीरे धीरे अपन के 200, 300, 400, 500 कई के जमा आपिस कई देला लोग।
खेती में यहाँ सिंचाई भाई बिया भाई छोड़े कहीं लागत है काम तो पैसा समूह से हमारे ले लेते है फिर पैदा हुआ है तो का फिर हमारे जमा समय से कई देते है। यह अपने में समूह का यह फायदा है। यही में अपने हमारे लेन देन जैसे ही समूह से खरी मिलत है, सींचे वाला मशीन मिलत है तो यह कुल हमारे पछन ले दे के अपन गरज चलावा जाता है। यह हमन का फायदा है।
Input support like use of biofertilizers, IPM, integrated pest management tools, neem cake, neem oil और वर्मी कंपोस्टिंग इरिगेशन फैसिलिटीज़।
भारत सरकार का जो राष्ट्रीय कार्यक्रम है IPM, PGSS के माध्यम से उस डिसेबल्ड लोगों को इसमें भी समावेशित किया गया है और इन लोगों को खेतों में ले जा कर के शत्रु और मित्र कीटों का भी पहचान कराया गया। पहले लोग ये जानते थे कि सारे कीड़े हमारे नुकसान पहुंचाने वाले हैं, लेकिन जब उनको पहचान कराया गया तो उनके बात उनके समझ में आई। PGSS का सराहना करना पड़ेगा कि जितने गांव में इन लोगों ने अपना कार्यक्रम चला रखा है वहाँ के लोग जैविक पर ज़्यादा जोर दे रहे हैं और रसायन की तरफ से उनका झुकाव कम हो रहा है।
Besides various small agro enterprises like poultry farming, vegetable cultivation, mushroom preparation, beekeeping, and floriculture has been set up by self-help group members and farmers' family as a means of permanent livelihood. To ensure the sustainability in the project, 3-tier farmer federation has been formed for the farmer groups. Office bearers of village level federation, president, secretary and treasurer of each farmer groups comes as members of block level federation. The office bearers of block level federation President, Secretary, and Treasurer come as a member of divisional level federation. At each level federation, a minimum one person with disabilities and one women member and office bearer are included. Therefore, a comprehensive developmental agenda and inclusive plan are being discussed always as a part of discussion in federations meetings. As an impact, the decision divisional level federation result to set up all farmers facility centers by person with disabilities.
सर्वोदय किसान समूह में सब कुछ हमको मिला है, भाड़े पर चलाते हैं, भाड़ा मिलेला तो हमें रोजी रोटी में सब्जी साग सब काम देला।
The formation of DPOs and their strength are based on the support of Farmer Group Federation. Promotion of beekeeping by persons with disabilities, farmers are also the extended outcome of this project. After the organic farming, subsequently organic production, it is necessary to get the organic certification from internationally recognized certification agencies. The targeted certification area was 260 hectares, but presently 401.8 hectares organic cultivated area of 2,369, including 288 farmers with disabilities, are being certified by Uttarakhand State Organic Certification Agency, USOCA.
हमन के जैविक प्रमाणीकरण संस्था के तरफ से आवे न लोग वो हमारे मिट्टी के जांच करें न, साल में दो बार आवे न, हमारे अनाज के जांच करें न, हमारा अनाज एकदम 100% शुद्ध निकलेला। हमरे सर्वोदय किसान समूह के डायरी बनल बा। आए डायरी में हमन के जोताई, खेत के जोताई से लेके बोआई तक सब विवरण एमे लिखल से हर किसान के, और ओकर लेखा जोखा में लिख के सब अपने तरफ रखे से कर खाद बीज अपने घरे बीज बैंक बाय कर अपने घर के बीज डाले ली, अपने घर के वनस्पत खाद बना के जैविक खाद वही के प्रयोग करे ली सभे हमन के मतलब अच्छा फसल सब निकलेला।
This is third year convergent period of organic certification in convergent organic products are marketed by person with disabilities. The organic products has a brand name of Samriddhi Green. The term Samriddhi explained as small and marginal farmers' research impact and development through homemade inputs. The finished Samriddhi Green branded products are also being supplied in Gorakhpur city. Presently, 12 value addition centers has been set up in the project blocks. Out of 12 value addition centers, 8 centers are managed by person with disabilities.
सेमरी ग्रीन जो पैकिंग नाम है, इसमें आटा 2 किलो का है, उसको हम पैक करते हैं। अली अबे 2 गो चौराहा पड़ता है, नीचे पर हम जाकर बेचते हैं। धूस एगो चूटहा, उसे हम बेच के हम अपना अच्छा जीवन बिताते हैं। तभी लोग पूछते नहीं थे, अब सभी लोग पूछते हैं। जो हमारे बैठते उठते हैं सभी लोग बुलाते हैं। महीने में 1000 रुपया कमा रहे हैं।
हम प्रमोद मन कमाए लगना है तो घर का अपन लगना है देखभाल करे। अब अपना कपड़ा लत्ता खरीद लेना, दवाई वाई अपन करा लेना।
Each value addition center known as one entrepreneur group. As per demand, the in-charges procure organic raw products from focus organic farmers through the consultation of block level federation. All the 3-tier structure of farmers federation are playing very important role such as production, demand generation, procurement and marketing.
मसाला सिस्टर जी मसाला बेचने के लिए और चावल और आटा और हल्दी का पाउडर तब मंगलवार की बाज़ार में बेचे थे हम, तो 50 रुपये वर्मी कंपोस्ट भी बेचते हैं, तो 50 रुपये मिला था। तो हर मंगलवार का और रविवार के और शुक्रवार के जाते हैं बाज़ार में, बेचते हैं और उसका लाभ उठाते हैं।
The suggestions and recommendations of Miss Mary Lee, market consultant from New Zealand, gives an opportunity and outlook to strengthen the marketing system. Presently, the producer farmers who want to sell their market surplus, they are getting 15 to 20% extra margin, and the involved entrepreneur in charge of value addition centers are getting 10 to 40% profit. After the complete certification, the products will be supplied to the national market. For this, producer companies are being formed and federations are strengthened. For the success in organic certification, it was necessary to control the chemical contamination through seeds and other organic inputs. Reliable source of organic seeds was an important factor in the program. In this regard, in all the 83 village level focus villages, seed banks has been established in which all the major crop seed of all 3 crop seasons like Kharif, Rabi and Zaid seasons are available according to the need of farmers. The village level federation regulates the distribution, recovery, grading and storage.
धान के दिन में धान दिले लोग के बीज